Segment Kraken vs Gemini. In the ever-evolving world of cryptocurrency exchanges, two major players are often in the spotlight, Kraken and Gemini. As we move into 2026, the competition between these platforms is heating up, raising the question, which one truly stands out for U.S. investors? With new features, security enhancements, and user-friendly interfaces, both exchanges are vying for your attention. But understanding their differences could make or break your trading experience. Don't miss out on crucial insights that could optimize your investments. Stick around as we break down the pros and cons of each platform, ensuring you make an informed decision in this fast-paced market. When it comes to choosing between Kraken and Gemini, numbers tell a compelling story. Kraken has been around since 2011, offering over 200 cryptocurrencies for trading. As of October 2023, it boasts a trading volume that often exceeds $1 billion daily, making it a heavyweight in the exchange arena. On the other hand, Gemini has carved out its niche since its launch in 2015. It focuses heavily on regulatory compliance, backed by its reputation as a go-to exchange for institutional investors. In fact, just last month, Gemini announced a partnership with BlackRock to provide crypto trading to its clients, showcasing its commitment to integrating cryptocurrency within traditional finance. But why does this matter for you? Well, Kraken's extensive range of altcoins means that if you're looking to diversify, it offers more options. Meanwhile, Gemini's focus on security and compliance may appeal to those wary of regulatory scrutiny, especially with the SEC ramping up its oversight of digital assets. In terms of fees, Kraken generally offers lower trading fees compared to Gemini, which can be a big plus for active traders. Kraken charges a maximum of 0.26% for maker orders, while Gemini's fees can reach up to 1.49% in certain instances. This difference can significantly impact your bottom line, especially if you plan on making frequent trades. It's also important to note how both platforms are navigating the shifting regulatory landscape. With the SEC increasing its focus on crypto exchanges, choosing a platform that prioritizes compliance can shield you from potential pitfalls. Gemini, with its strong ties to regulatory authorities, might offer a sense of security for long-term investors. Ultimately, the choice between Kraken and Gemini boils down to what you prioritize in an exchange. If you're looking for a wider selection of cryptocurrencies and lower fees, Kraken could be your best bet. However, if strong regulatory compliance and security are your main concerns, Gemini might be the way to go. Understanding these nuances can empower you to make a choice that aligns with your investing strategy. Let's dive into how a retail investor might experience trading on Kraken versus Gemini within a week. Imagine you're ready to invest $1,000 in Bitcoin. On Kraken, you could benefit from a trading fee of about 0.16%, which translates to just $1.60 for that transaction. Now, let's compare that with Gemini. If you make the same purchase, their trading fee is typically around 0.35%. So, you'd be looking at about $3.50 in fees. At first glance, this might not seem like a huge difference, but let's break it down. In volatile market conditions, like a price drop, those fees can add up. If Bitcoin were to dip significantly after your purchase, the extra fees on Gemini could impact your overall return. For instance, if Bitcoin falls by 10%, a $1,000 investment would decrease to $900. On Kraken, your total cost would be $901.60, while on Gemini, it would be $903.50. That's a difference of nearly $2 that could mean more to your portfolio, especially if you're trading frequently. Many investors overlook how fees can compound during times of market turbulence. But here's what nobody is saying. Beyond just trading fees, there are other considerations. Kraken offers a wider selection of altcoins, which can be appealing for those looking to diversify their investments. In contrast, Gemini focuses heavily on compliance and security, which might give some investors peace of mind. Additionally, Kraken allows for seamless transfers to your crypto wallet, which can save time and fees if you plan on holding assets long-term. Gemini, while strong on security, can be a little slower in terms of wallet transfers. Ultimately, the choice might come down to how often you trade and what features you value most. If you're someone who trades frequently and values lower costs, Kraken might be the better fit. However, if you prefer a platform that prioritizes compliance and security, Gemini could be your go-to. Just remember, investing is not only about the initial trade. The long-term implications of your chosen exchange can significantly affect your bottom line. If you're ready to dive into trading on Kraken or Gemini, here are 4 concrete steps you can take this week. First, set up an account on the exchange that resonates with you. Both Kraken and Gemini offer user-friendly interfaces, so take the time to explore their features. Ensure you have all necessary identification ready for a smooth verification process, which can take anywhere from a few minutes to a couple of days. Next, consider securing your assets with a crypto wallet. While both exchanges have built-in wallets, transferring your cryptocurrencies to a hardware wallet enhances security. Aim to invest at least $50 in a reputable hardware wallet like Ledger or Trezor to safeguard your investments against potential online threats. After you've secured your assets, it's crucial to familiarize yourself with the tax implications. Make sure you understand how capital gains tax works in the US, especially for any trades you make this year. Set aside 15-20% of your profits to cover potential taxes, so there are no surprises come tax season. Finally, explore the possibility of earning yield through decentralized finance DeFi options. Both exchanges provide access to platforms where you can stake your assets. Look to allocate a small portion, around $100, to test staking opportunities for additional returns while you hold your investments. By taking these steps, you'll be better prepared to navigate the world of cryptocurrency trading on Kraken or Gemini effectively. As we look ahead to the next 90 days, be prepared for potential market fluctuations that could bring both challenges and opportunities. The choices you make between Kraken and Gemini could significantly impact your trading experience during this time. So, which exchange do you think will come out on top as we move into 2026? Subscribe to the channel for daily crypto updates and let us know your thoughts in the comments below.